Guys, so this will be a different kind of video, and in this video we're gonna see if a cheap 2020 budget smartphone can compare to a 2016 flagship. So let's find out. As Fahim from FahimTech LP Master Knowledge in Technology. If this is your first time, figure all the latest tech tutorials, unboxing and review and comparison video just like this one, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the bell so then we'll turn off in my future video. Okay, so as you can see in this video, we're gonna compare a 2016 flagship versus a 2020 kind of budget and then mid-range price phone. So this one goes for, this is the Samsung Galaxy A11. So there's a two model of this. This is the 2 gigs version and there's also 3 gigs. So that's the RAM and also the storage. So for the 2 gig one, it's like 170 to 180, and for the 3 gig model, it's about $200. For the iPhone is only the storage. So if you want to get like a 128, 256, you have to pay about $50 to $100 extra. It just depends on where you get it from. So this is about like $200. You can find it brand new, and then yeah, that's it. And for this, for the iPhone 7, you can find it for about $200. It's used or it's a prepaid, so it's a locked to a carrier. But if you want a brand new, it goes for about $250 to $300. And for the 7 Plus, it's about $300 to $400 because it just depends on where you buy it from. So if you go to a store and buy it, maybe I don't think they can have a brand new anymore. But if you're in the prepaid, and if you will like go to Simple Mobile, go to Boost Mobile, and like that's, you can find it for a pretty good deal. So first, let's talk about the specs. So as you can see in the left is the iPhone 7 Plus. So this has the 3 gigs of RAM, and on the right is the 2 gigs of RAM. Guys, for iPhone, for example, this one is iPhone 6 and this is 1 gig of RAM, and this run better than lots of a small a budget phone because of the software. So this is running the latest OS 14.4, and this one is running the Samsung One UI. So that's the problem with the Samsung phone, is the software. So you're not gonna get updated as often as the iPhone does. So that's why lots of people even go with the older iPhone, because it doesn't look new, but it legit run as a new. So as you can see, it's legit customized as you can do it with the brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max, and you can customize it with another $100 iPhone 6s. So that's the thing about that. So that's the main difference, is the software. So it just depends on if you're an Android, if you like the Android software or the iOS software. Next, so guys, so now we're gonna do some like a basic comparison. So we're gonna do some speed test and see which one can open the app faster. So as you can see, there's no app in the background. So first, let's talk about the phones. As you can see, it is pretty similar. Then let's go to messages. That is also pretty similar. So now we're gonna go to a bit more test. So we're gonna go to Safari, and this one is iPhone, as you can see, and this is taking some while. So that's you can see the difference already. So now we're gonna head to YouTube and see which one. Okay, so this is the iPhone. Now let's open up App Store and the Play Store. Let's see which one. As you can see, so this time it is the Samsung. As you can see, this is pretty similar. Guys, now we're gonna go to a more demanding, is a game. So we're gonna do a basic game for this. So we're gonna open up Among Us, and then this is the difference between an iPhone and an Android. Like what you run is the gaming. So let's see how long does this take. Look at that. It's already here, and then Samsung is not even halfway done. Okay, finally it came. And as you can see, if you look at the screen, it's kind of laggy. Like not, but as you can see before you saw it, and look at the iPhone, it's running smooth. So that's about the Apple chip. So this is a Snapdragon 7 kind of series. So this is pretty like a budget, and for this one is a flagship Apple A10 Fusion chip. So you're gonna click on the free play, and then we're gonna pick a map. So we'll do the first one, and then see which one run. As you can see, this one open very quickly. As you can see right here, it's running smooth, there's no problem. I can just do anything. As you can see, now let's move to this. As you can see, there's no problem anything either. So now we're gonna go back, and then we're gonna go back. So now we're gonna do the reverse. So now we're gonna go, and then we're gonna go through the app and see if the app is like so as you can see, so because of the RAM, it just reclose, so it just reopen, and for this is just straight to where you left it. So now we're gonna go to a different app and see. So now we're gonna go to the YouTube and see if it reload. So as you can see, the both of them keep it still, so that's good. So now we're gonna go to the Play Store. As you can see, this one reload. Now we're gonna go to the Safari and also the Chrome. As you can see, it did not reload. Now we're gonna go to the important one, is the game. Is the game reload? As you can see, the game is. Oh, as you can see, we get kicked out from the Samsung phone. So see, and for iPhone, it's still right in the same place. So as you can see the difference between say this came out 2016 and this is 2021, and you can see it's 5 years later. This is still running better than a lot of Samsung phones. So if you need to do if you need to do the kind of gaming and stuff, I still recommending getting an old iPhone than getting a Samsung a budget one. So if you don't like the iPhone, and if you don't like the software, and if you need to get a good Samsung phone, a good Android phone, then I recommend getting a OnePlus or getting the Google Pixel 4a, because the 4a can take amazing pictures. So now we're gonna open up camera. So this is what the camera look like. So I'll just flip it and then go to the main camera. So as you can see, for iPhone, so there's only 2 camera, and this one of the rear camera. So this one have a zoom as well. So for the iPhone, it have the 2x zoom. So, and for this one have the ultra wide, because I do like the ultra wide a lot. But thing is, if you switch to ultra wide to a wide, so I'll give a, because I will give you example. What the heck happened to my talk? So as you can see right here, sometimes it just depends on the lighting. As you can see, the color does not change. So if you switch from a the normal to the ultra wide, it does change color. So it's sometimes it looks so bad when you're in the low light, it kind of look horrible. But things, the camera both is pretty good. Things on the Samsung devices, it doesn't matter what device you get. If you even get the S21 Ultra, the color is kind of different. So the iPhone do all the nature, it's the closer thing. So it's like the real thing that you see, and this one just change the color a bit. But thing is, if you get a both camera, it still is good. So now let's talk about the display. This is what you can see a major change with the. This is only $200, and as you can see, look at how nice it look. It have no home button, it have no chain like it does, but not as this one. The iPhone look kind of ugly, being honest, and this have a hole punch. Thing is, with the opening, so there's a 2 options. So you can do Touch ID or there's a Face ID. Because the face recognition is not the safe as the iPhone 10 and up. So the iPhone 10, 10s, 11, even 12, but things still it work. So now we're gonna just do the Touch ID test. So let's see which one open first. As you can see that is a Samsung. Let's try it with the whole thing close. No, let's try it with the open. As you can see, the Samsung again. Now let's try it with the close. So as you can see, it is instant. Look at it. If you just put a finger on it, it will unlock. And for this, you just need to wake up, as you can see right here. And for this, it's already unlocked. So now we're gonna close up all the app. As you can see, this is already closed. So guys, so that is it for this video. You can see. So the Samsung budget thing really caught up, but I think it's still, if you want a good phone to do talking, playing games, and making doing something with the camera. So if you want to take still a good picture, I still recommending going with a low-end iPhone. Because I don't recommend getting an iPhone 6 or 6s. I think those are too old. But if you want it, go for iPhone 7 or 8 or even the new SE. So it kind of look dated, but the software and the spec is better than lots of like a $400 to $500 phone. So that's why if you want it, go for it to one of those. And also if you like Android and if you like Android software, I highly recommend going to OnePlus. Go for the OnePlus 7 Pro or go with the budget Google Pixel 4a. Because the Google Pixel 4a can take a better picture than even an iPhone. Legit. So guys, so that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Guys, also comment down below if you want to see this kind of video more often. I'll see you guys on the next video then. Peace.